You asked, how to divide 3678 by 4 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 36. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36 minus 36 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down 8, making 38. 38 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 38 minus 36 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 919 remainder 2.